Unraveling the meaning of lie down in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, lie down. This phrase might seem simple, but it's used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in daily English communication. So, let's dive in and learn all about lie down. First, let's start with the basic definition. Lie down means to move into a position in which your body is flat, usually on a bed or another horizontal surface. It's a phrase we often use in everyday language when we talk about resting or preparing to sleep. For instance, I'm going to lie down for a few minutes. I'm really tired. The doctor advised him to lie down whenever he feels dizzy. Now, let's explore how lie down is used in different contexts. It's not always about just taking a rest. Sometimes, it can be used figuratively or in other scenarios. Relaxation and health. After a long day of work, it's nice to just lie down and relax. In a medical context, lie down can be a suggestion for someone who needs to recover or feel better. Commands to pets. It's also a common command we give to pets, especially dogs. Lie down, Fido, figurative usage. In a figurative sense, it can mean to accept defeat or to not resist. For example, the team refused to just lie down and accept their loss. When learning lie down, it's important to be aware of some common mistakes. Confusing lie and lay. Lie versus lay. Remember, lie is something you do yourself, while lay requires an object. For example, I lie down on the bed, but I lay the book on the table. Tense confusion. Past tense of lie, it's lay. Yes, this can be confusing. Yesterday, I lay down for an hour. We hope this video helps you understand and use lie down more confidently in your English conversations. Whether it's for relaxation, giving instructions, or even in a figurative sense, this phrase is really handy. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to lie down and take a break when you need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.